Fast Track was designed to be more than a moment. It's meant to be used, questioned, tested, and returned to.
What does that mean in practice for people when they're coming to have a play there, as it were?
When we say living network, it's just the opportunity for people to come and test real-time configurations, look at various network architectures, whether it's indexing, whether it's centralized, decentralized, look at everything from closures to taps and really get to follow the light around this little outdoor lab environment.
What's being tested here isn't theory, it's how different choices behave side by side under real conditions.
Not many people see an end-to-end fiber optic network style. We have that right here. This actually displays the products. We get to open up the products. We can put light on it so that we can actually transmit some fiber optic light, if you will, visible light. So kind of illustrate a little bit of how the network gets set up.
Seeing the whole system at once changes the conversation. Suddenly, scale, placement, and flow aren't abstract, they're physical.
So we've designed out here all the different PON architectures that are available for service providers to build, so they can get a sense and feel of how they're going to be able to deliver the signal out to their subscribers for connectivity.
Because every network is built to solve a different problem, and understanding the options is as important as choosing the technology.
So imagine that this is an actual network out in the field that's operational today. We have that live light right out here so that you can come in, hook up a meter, and actually see and understand the losses that occur through the different devices, through the different types of architectures, and really figure out what makes the most sense for your needs.
That ability to measure, compare, and understand performance in real time turns assumption into informed decisions.
This is a great opportunity to bring customers through, train employees. I brought a couple of our distribution partners through early on, so we have a lot of positive feedback. A lot of folks have already left asking if we can set up some additional meetings. This is just a great tool just to really showcase the solutions that CommScope has.
And it doesn't stop with a single visit. The value grows as more people pass through with new questions each time.
Do you see the program growing, developing, evolving?
100%. One of the things that we get out of hosting our clients as well as our distribution partners and our manufacturing rep firms is we get to hear the voice of the customer. What's working, what's not working. So it's definitely a very interactive opportunity for us. Our research and development team is just right up the road there in North Carolina. So they are constantly coming down and interfacing with our customers as well as the FAE, Field Application Engineering team.
That feedback doesn't close the loop, it feeds the next iteration.
I am really excited about Fast Track. This is something that we've dreamt of for a long time, and we're able to actually bring it to fruition. This is a first, one of its kind in the industry. Nobody else has this to offer, and we're really, really proud and excited to bring customers in and let them see and understand the architectures and the solution sets that support that.
Fast Track isn't about a single design or a single day. It's a place to test ideas, build understanding, and keep moving, long after the ribbon's been cut.